Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 20-volt leaf blower. I already had this for 3 months now, and this is a great leaf blower to help me clean up my yard. I like how small and powerful that this blower is, so you can see how it looks. It's very small and lightweight, yet it's very powerful. This is how the buttons are. This is your on and off button, and then this is your speed button. So this has 3 different levels with the speeds. This is where your battery goes, and the handle is nice and comfortable, and it feels very good on the hands. It's nice and balanced. It also comes with these 2 extension cones, so you can make it short or longer depending on how you need it. It comes with these 3 nozzles for your different needs. It has like a flat base one, has a narrow one, and then it has a curved one, depending on if you need to blow something that is too high for you to see. I like how you're able to just attach just a nozzle to the blower if you need a short blower, or you can attach these longer tubes if you need a longer blower. And it has this great locking mechanism right here, so this keeps it nice and secure on the unit. So this is great. So you can even use this to dry your car. And it comes with the 2 20-volt batteries, and it has your charger right here. Battery life for these batteries lasts a good 20 minutes of full-time use, and charging time, it takes about an hour for a full charge. So this is how the blower works. And actually you can see how strong it is. The grass is kind of wet, so you can see how well it cleans the sidewalk. So you see that I have water here. You can use the blower to blow off all the water and move it very easily and quickly. If you are interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great 20-volt leaf blower. I like the size and the power of the leaf blower. It's very strong, and it moves the dirt and the leaves and even the grass shavings very easily. The battery life lasts a good 20 minutes per battery of full-time use. I also like that you're able to adjust the length of the blower that you need to blow it at. Either you can use these 2 tubes or even just with the nozzles only.